you're already gonna buy because you think I'm giving you too much from the start.
Hmm.
So
I love it. Do you think the content is that biggest factor just because it increases visibility? Or do you think there's something with like the value you're adding to the information you're sharing that makes them more confident in?
it's a combination of both because yes, I'm putting out the content to show my expertise. I'm stepping into a realm that actually nobody's ever stepped into, especially on social media. So I want to say that I'm probably like going to be the first in this particular segment. So yes, initially I want to open up, bring awareness to a market that don't have awareness to, and then yes, teach the people who was like me, because there was nobody there for me to come up. Because a lot of comments that I get, oh man, I learned how to do this from you. Oh, I learned so much from you. Oh, I just passed my test. And I'll be like, wow. Sometimes I think I'm not even really giving the best type of information, but it's just how I do the thing. So
Hmm.
somebody, the individual is always going to have self-doubt.
Hmm. Yeah. So beyond revenue, what would you say is the most important metric that you track to know if the business is healthy?
I put it to you like this, right? There's no business metric that I track. I get up at 3 o'clock every day and I'm probably sleep 8 or 9 o'clock. If I'm tired at any given moment, that's my track. I don't be tired. I
Hmm.
keep going. I keep going. And this has been 2007, what year we in? It's been a long time. 8, 9 years. It's been a long time and I have not been tired. So if once I start slowing down or burn out, whatever they call it, then I think I'm doing something wrong
Hmm. So you're mostly looking at like your energy levels and seeing,
in the health.
hmm. Hmm. I guess that's something that a lot of people, especially in the trades, don't really think about. Like, I think I was talking, I don't know if the episode's out yet.